Litos chika, Donnie Bailina na inaming hindi sinasabayan ang init ang ulo ng kanyang girlfriend na si Bel Mariano. Alam nyo, hindi ko sinasabayan ang init ng ulo ni Bel. If you're girl or your woman na sinasabing, let's break up, I didn't feel your presence anymore, or iwan mo na ako, dude, don't let her go. Iparamdam mo talaga sa kanya na mahal mo siya. Instead na sabayan mo siya sa katupakan niya. Yun yung ginagawa ko kay Bel. Girls always say that when they are tired or feel unworthy, but trust me, they didn't mean all that. Maybe all they want is your attention. And especially your time. So don't ever give up to your girl kapag ganyan sila umasa. Girls are soft-hearted, matapang pagdating sa salitang break na tayo. Pero once na sinabayan mo siya sa gusto niya, trust me, ang sakit sa part niya yon. Because all they thought is you will fight for her but you give up on her.